Nobody enjoys fighting with vacuum cleaner cords. They limit you, they trip you up, and they make cleaning feel like a chore. Well, today we are cutting the cord with a true game changer, the Kent Zoom Plus cordless vacuum cleaner. If you have been waiting for a powerful, lightweight, cordless vacuum that won't empty your wallet, stick around. This might just be the best budget cleaner you will find for your home. It's a lightweight machine. The unboxing experience is quick and simple. You get the main motor unit, an extension tube, the motorized floor brush, and a couple of essential smaller tools. Assembly is snap literally. It all clicks together in seconds, and right away you will notice how lightweight this vacuum is. At just around 2 kilograms, anyone can lift it in clean ceilings, curtains, or high shelves without breaking a sweat. It transitions instantly from a long stick vacuum to a compact handheld cleaner, ready for your car or sofa. The real magic here is the technology inside. The Zoom Plus uses advanced cyclonic technology. What does that mean for you? It means fierce, consistent suction that doesn't rely on dust bags, keeping maintenance costs low. The dust spins into the transparent bin, which is easy to see and even easier to empty with the press of a single button. What I love most for a healthy home is the filter. This machine features a high-efficiency washable HEPA filter. This isn't just catching visible dust, it traps tiny particulate matter, ensuring the air leaving the vacuum is cleaner than the air it sucked in. For allergy sufferers or homes with pets, that's massive plus at this price point. It's a hygienic upgrade from your traditional sweeping routine. How does it perform in real life is the question. The motorized floor brush is excellent on hard floors like tile or wood. It sweeps up crumbs and dust with ease. With you hit a low pile rug or carpet, the brush agitation helps lift stubborn dirt that regular sweeping misses. It has a great maneuverability, smoothly gliding under furniture. The battery provides up to 30 minutes of runtime on a full charge. Now for daily spot cleaning, spills, or maintaining a small apartment, 30 minutes is perfect. If you're planning a massive deep clean of a large house, you might need a recharge, which takes about 4 to 5 hours. But for the quick daily maintenance that cordless vacuums are designed for, absolutely excels in performance. Overall, Ken Zoom Plus is a solid buy. It is incredibly light, it uses superior HEPA filtration, it's batless, and it includes all the tools you need for floors, crevices, and everything. The 30-minute battery life is standard for this budget tire, but sometimes to be aware of if you have a huge house, this is not convenient for that. Huge houses requires more power backup, and this just gives 25 to 30 minutes of backup. Overall, it's a great buy under budget price. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.